If you want to use ChatGPT for blog prompts and turn a simple idea into content you can actually publish, this video will show you the easiest way to do it step by step. Whether you're a blogger, content creator, business owner, or just someone trying to write faster, ChatGPT can help you brainstorm topics, improve your ideas, and build full blog outlines in minutes. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more AI and software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open ChatGPT. You can use the web version or the app, whichever is easiest for you. Once you're inside, the goal is not to ask for one random blog idea and hope for the best. The better approach is to give ChatGPT a clear prompt so it can generate useful blog topics for your niche. For example, you can type, "Give 10 blog writing prompts for your niche." Now, instead of just saying your niche in a vague way, be specific. For example, you could say fitness, digital marketing, skincare, travel, personal finance, or even a very focused topic like beginner yoga for busy moms. The more specific you are, the better the ideas ChatGPT will give you. After you send that prompt, ChatGPT will usually return a list of blog topic ideas or writing prompts. This is where you can start choosing the ones that match your audience and your goals. Look for topics that are relevant, searchable, and likely to keep readers interested. Once you have a few ideas you like, the next step is to improve them. This is important because raw prompts are a good starting point, but they often need polishing before you use them in a real blog strategy. So you can ask ChatGPT, make them SEO-friendly and engaging. That tells the model to rewrite the prompts in a way that is better for search engines and more appealing to readers. You can also make this even stronger by asking it to include keywords, headlines, pain points, or questions that your audience is actually searching for. For example, if your niche is digital marketing, you might ask for blog prompts that target beginner keywords, problem-solving topics, and long-tail search phrases. If your niche is food, you might ask for recipe-based prompts, budget meal ideas, or healthy cooking tips. This helps you turn generic ideas into content that has a real chance of ranking and performing well. Next, once you find a prompt you want to use, you can expand it into something much more useful. This is where ChatGPT becomes a real writing assistant instead of just an idea generator. Take the prompt you like and ask, convert this prompt into a full blog outline or article. At this stage, ChatGPT can give you a headline, introduction, main sections, subheadings, conclusion, and even suggestions for FAQs. If you want, you can also ask it to add an SEO title, meta description, or keyword list. That makes the content creation process much faster because you're not starting from zero. A great workflow is to first generate prompts, then refine them, and finally expand the best one into a full blog structure. That way, you're using ChatGPT in a smart, repeatable process rather than guessing every time. You can even take it one step further and ask ChatGPT to make the outline more conversational, more professional, or more beginner-friendly depending on your audience. If you want stronger results, try adding context to your prompts. For example, tell ChatGPT who the blog is for, what the tone should be, and what the goal of the post is. You could say something like, create SEO-friendly blog prompts for a beginner audience in the fitness niche with an informative and engaging tone. That kind of prompt gives ChatGPT much better direction. And once you have a process like this, you can reuse it again and again for different niches, different content ideas, and different blog campaigns. It's one of the easiest ways to stay consistent with blogging while saving a ton of time. So to recap, open ChatGPT, ask for 10 blog writing prompts for your niche, make them SEO-friendly and engaging, and then convert the best one into a full blog outline or article. That's the simple method for using ChatGPT for blog prompts. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and check out more tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.